Welcome to the Technical CAD. In the last video, I have shown you how to work with the real-time drawing using circle commands. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the command arc and its types. Let's go into the video. In AutoCAD, we have 11 types of different arcs. When coming to the first one, we have 3-point. Here creates an arc using 3 points. If we are having 3 points, so we can connect that 3 points. For suppose I have a point 1, so let us consider these 3 are my points. Now I need to connect them. So for that purpose, I will go into 3-point arc. I will select that option and I will select my first point, second point and third point. By this way, we can create 3-point arc. Next one is start, center, end. So here arcs have been divided into 3 families, 3 major families. One is start center family, start end family and center start family. So we will see one by one now. I will draw one line here. So take it as a 10 mm. Now first one is start, center, end. So here this arc will use start point, center point and end point, so in order. So we should not miss the order. Start first, center second and third one is end. Click that, start point, center point, end point. So like this we can create the arc by using start, center and end. Next, coming to start, center and angle. Here start, center and angle. So if I give a 45 degrees, the arc will create at the point of 45 degrees. You can measure if you need. What is the angle of this arc? So you can see here. So it will show 45 degrees exactly. So that is start, center, angle. Next, coming to start, center, length. So here length refers to the chord length. I will show you one. I will delete this option. Now go for start, center, length. This is my start point, center point, and now my length will be 5. My length will be 5. Now measure. I will go for distance. Now you can see the length. So that is start, center, length. So that is a first family. Next, coming to the second family, here start, end, angle. So we have to select starting point, end point and we have to give the angle. So start point, end point and we have to give the angle. So I will switch off the ortho mode here. It will be much more easier for me. I will go for like 50 degrees. Now you can measure the angle of that arc. Select this curve. See, so we have only parameters called starting point and ending point, and we have to give the angle. So based on the parameters given, so it will take the center point automatically. Next, coming to start and direction. So starting point, ending point, you can give the direction. So you can control, you can press the control button to change the direction. Next option is start and radius. So here starting, ending and radius we have to select. My start point, end point, the radius of 5 mm. Okay, so if you give the 5, you can get the distance here. I mean, from the center point to here it's 5, that's why it came in 180 degrees. For suppose if you give around 3, let's check. Start and radius, start, end, and my radius will be 3 mm. Sorry, let's take 15 mm. Now you can check the angle. It's showing 39, and you can get the distance, I mean radius. Check the radius from here. Here see, 15. So we have to give only starting point and ending point, and the third parameter is radius. Based on these 3 parameters, the center point will select automatically. So this is the concept of arcs. So wherever you need the part of a circle, I mean it may be a semicircle or a quarter circle, anything, so there you can use arc command. Next, center start family, center start end. Center start end. Center start angle, center start angle, how much angle you need. So I need a 45 angle, so 45 angle arc will be created. Start center start length, center start, and you have to give length of the arc, I mean chord length. You can check, if you have any doubt you can check through measure. So what is the distance from this point to this point? So it shows 6, so that is the length of the chord here. And next one is continue. So if you press or if you select the continue arc, so it will start from the previous arc where we have stopped. So that is the continue arc. So these are the different types of arcs. So all arcs are same, but the application may vary. So due to the based on the drawing, the application may vary. So each and every drawing prompts for different arc selection. Okay, I hope you understand the topic. Please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the updates. Thank you.